you thinking about making a move to Greensboro, North Carolina, and are looking for an amazing townhouse community right here in Greensboro? If you are, then today you're going to want to check out this video. My name is Meredith Parsons. I'm a realtor. I live here and love it here. I want you to move here and love it here as much as I do. And if you could do this, it would be so awesome. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because each week I'm going to taking you on a little tour, a little adventure of all things Greensboro Triad area, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. Ready to go check out this townhouse community? Let's go. So we are here today in the neighborhood of Whitehall, and this is the townhouse community. We are located in Guilford County. We are in Greensboro, and we are inside of the loop. So we're in the zip code of 27455, and we're really close to Lake Jeanette. Now this neighborhood, they started building in 1983, and then they stopped building in 1999. So that gives you a feel of how old the community is. For the most part, they are all single level. But then over here, we have some 2 stories. All of them have garages, so they either have 2-car or 1-car garages. So this is for somebody looking to downsize, looking for something smaller, and maintenance-free living, because with townhouses, they take care of the exterior, which makes life, easier for you. The highways that you're close to, you're right off of the loop, so you're like 5 minutes away from it. But you're sandwiched between the 2 bigger roads, 220 and 29. So giving you time frame on distances, you're 15 minutes to the airport, to PDI, you're 15 minutes to downtown Greensboro. So let's talk house pricing. The average house price here is $343,000. But they range in price. Going back a year, it is January of 26. It's crazy. They range in price from $314,000 to $370,000. The size of the houses here range between 1,200 square feet to 2,400 square feet. Now the 1,200 is more on the smaller side. I'm just going to throw that out there. The average size house here is 1,560 square feet. The average price per square foot here is $227 a square foot. So the bedrooms here, they're 2 to 4 beds, they're 2 to 3 baths, and they're 1 to 3 car garages. All of them have a garage, and they all have, like a little driveway. And they have these little parking pads throughout. So like if you have neighbors come over, they're not, parked all over the street and it's hard to get through, because that can be super annoying, in my opinion. Your taxes here are 1.4%. You are on city, you are on city water and city sewer. And you do have an HOA of $195 for the month. Let's talk grocery shopping. So you have a Food Lion that is up on Lawndale. That's about 5 minutes away. You've got Harris Teeter up at Pisgah Church and Elm. That's about 7 minutes away. You've got Lidl's Fresh Market. That's 5 minutes away. So you have tons of grocery stores. You have tons of shopping close by in terms of that. If you're looking for shopping, you have Friendly Center, that's 15 minutes away. And then on Battleground, which has everything you could ever possibly want, that's about 9 minutes away. Let's talk green spaces or fun things to do. The Science Center is only 5 minutes away, so that means Country Park is only 5 minutes away. If you wanted to go into town, definitely check out that video that I did on green spaces in Greensboro, because like the Bog Gardens and the Bicentennial Gardens are like 11 minutes away. And if you wanted to go all the way out to Burmill, that's 12 minutes. But these trails all connect up. Like Jeanette's right here. Those trails will take you all the way out to Burmill. And the schools that you would be slotted for are Jesse Wharton Elementary, Mendenhall Middle, and Page High School. So hope you've learned all that you want to learn about the neighborhood of Whitehall, this amazing townhouse community here in Greensboro. If you have any questions, comments, you want to see another spot, put them in the comments below. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.